In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate an area in QGIS. Now, the easiest way to do this is as follows. You want to go and take your polygon where you want to calculate the area. So I have a shapefile over here of a polygon. You can watch my full tutorial on how to create shapefiles in QGIS in case you are interested in how to do this. And then you want to click on it over here on the left, and you want to go to the top right and open this attribute table. Now, when you do this here, you first must assign each and every single one of these areas, or whatever you call them. Of course, in my case, it's area. This one is LA. I only have one, but it's going to be sufficient for now. And you want to go ahead and edit them, and you want to give them unique IDs. So here, right now, I'm going to select ID, and then I'm going to leave this as it is, and here I'm going to type in $ID. When you do this, I'm going to press enter, and it's going to, if I click update all, give them unique IDs. This one is now at 0, and that's fine right now, okay? If you have multiple, they each will have different IDs, and that's fine. Now, whenever you've done that, you can go ahead and click on this button up top over here, which is going to open the field calculator, and then here you must do a bunch of different things. Create a new field must be on, this must be off, and then output field name is catch area, like this. If you don't put it like that, it's not going to work, so make sure you actually do it exactly as I typed. Then the output field type, I'm going to do decimal number, real. Output field length is going to be 10, precision is going to be 2, because of course that's the decimals I want. And then in here, you simply want to look for geometry, and you want to scroll down a bit, and you have $area. Double click this, and you can already see the area over here for your feature. Just click on OK, and as you can see, it's going to give you your area over here, and that's how you can basically calculate area in QGIS. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.